Hi. In this screencast, what I want to do is give you a quick tour of the course. I'm assuming, by the way, that you've gotten into the course, otherwise you wouldn't be watching this, and that you know how to get to this video. There are actually a couple under this. There will be my introductory video, which should probably be above this, and then a video on uploading podcasts, and then just a small blurb on me and what I've done, and all that kind of stuff. Now, you'll notice that you can't see this video, and there's a way to fix that. Well, when I say can't see this video, I'm talking about this video called Uploading Podcasts. And by the way, this will tell you how to listen to the podcasts that that I've uploaded. And so it shouldn't be called Uploading Podcasts. I'll probably change the name before then. Anyway, let's take a look at the course. In order to see these videos, see where it says advertisement, what it's doing is it's looking at my embedded video and reading it as an advertisement. So I want to show you the bottom of the screen. If I can move this, you see where it says show all content on the bottom. If you click that, you'll see that now the video shows. All right. Now, the first thing I want to do is we've looked at the news page. Again, I'm going to check this when this is uploading podcasts. It might be the wrong video, and it'll probably be called something else. Okay. Enough said about that. Let's look at the content. All right. So right off, you'll see at the beginning there's something called syllabus and schedule. And in this, you'll see the syllabus, and you can click this, and it will give you the syllabus for the course. And look, it's our course, unless I'm using this again next semester, in which case it's last semester's course. And I realize now that there is a typo on the syllabus that I will fix. It is not a 15-week course, it is a 12-week course. I'm writing myself notes as we talk. By the way, this is just like what happens in class because I always find typos. All right, so you'll see the syllabus here, and I'd like you to read the syllabus carefully and make sure that you understand all parts of it, and that you email or post any questions you have about the syllabus. All right, going back to that introductory unit, syllabus and schedule, contacting community is basically telling you how to get a hold of me. Okay, and so there's my email. There's a text number that I have, and this is a text-only line. You can't call on that line. You can call where it says phone. Here's my office, and also Skype, Google Hangout. We've got a Facebook thing. I'm seeing another typo that I'm going to fix. And also, pretty much any instant message program I can work with as well. So there are a lot of ways to contact me. And I do encourage you to contact me when you have the slightest question or issue with the course, so that we can make sure that you're progressing well and comfortable in the course. The course schedule is really important. What this does is it goes through each week of the course. There are 12 of them. Okay. And you'll see that each week we have dates for the week, and so everything is going to be due at the end of the week. So midnight on the 18th going into the 19th is when all of this is due, and we'll see what this is in a minute. We see the topic, we see the text sections that you're going to read, and what the assignments are. For the first week, we're going to have homework and discussions. All right, so you might want to print this out, actually, because it's a good general overview of what's happening with the course. Westminster and Larimer have different spring breaks. So what I did is I made week 6 2 weeks. All right, that way, if you're a Larimer person, you can take, I think it's the first week off. Yes, and you're a Westminster person, you can take the second week off, and both can still do the week's work. Or you can choose to give yourself a vacation anytime during that time period. So anyway, just be aware of that one little glitch in the schedule. Everything else is a week long. What else do we have? We have important dates. Important dates are just dates, last day to add with instructor signature, last day to drop with a refund when spring break is, and the last day to withdraw with a W. When you decide, or for any class really, if you decide to drop, withdraw, or whatever, talk to a financial aid advisor if you're on financial aid, and make sure that the financial aid implications are clear. Now, next, here is something that's fun. I ask students at the end of the semester to give tips for things that they wish they'd known at the beginning of the semester, and this is loading because it's a big document, and what I do is I have tips and advice from former Logic students, and so you might find this helpful as you navigate the course. All right, now, so those are all the introductory postings about the course. Every week I will post a unit, and you'll see that each week has dates associated with it, and if you click week 2, for example, week 3, it's not going to come up because each of these come up week by week. So for each week, if you click, you'll see the following. There will be a weekly summary and activities, and this is going to be important. I'll show you. There will be PowerPoints, possibly videos, other web resources for the week. So all these resources will be down here, but they'll also be linked up here. There's a discussion, and you can link from it here or on the discussion page. And then here's how you turn in your homework. It's through the Dropbox. You'll see it here or in the Dropbox page, and I'll show you that in just a second. Now, we go to weekly summary and activities. You'll see for every week there will be a summary of the material. There will be the resources that you can use, which include, of course, the textbook. In this case, we have PowerPoints. There are also podcasts, and if you click the link to the podcast, if you have iTunes, it will take you right to the area where you can download the podcasts. So that's kind of exciting, I think. So again, if you're the type of person who wants to listen to lectures, you can listen to them. You can download these. These are MP3s, so you don't need to use iTunes. So you can download it, you can burn it, you can listen to it while you're driving or working out or whatever it is you want to do. Okay, so there's that. Let's see if I can go back. You'll see that there's a link to the discussion, so you can, and also it tells you what the discussion is, and also all of the homework problems that are due, and a link to the Dropbox. So everything you need each week will be under this weekly summary and activities. All right, so that's going to be really important. Discussions, again, another way to get to the discussions is actually go to the discussion page. You'll see week 1 discussion is posted, and you can participate. Basically, there's a discussion item, and also you want to introduce yourself and introduce read other people's introductions. For this, for your introduction, what I'd like to do, it says use this space to introduce yourself to the class. I would prefer if you would click reply, and then under Ray Introductions, type your name. Okay. Let's call this person a student. It will be gone, by the way, by the time you look at this. And then, hi, my name is, etc., etc. And then finish your posting. That way everybody's name is there, and also if I would just want to see who's saying what, it helps. Then what you want to do, and I'm not going to do this, you want to click post, and then your discussion is posted. Okay, I'm going to cancel. All right, going back to the top. That's my sound effect. Let's see, we're going to go back to the top. You'll see the Dropbox. This is where all the homework will be submitted. There's homework due almost every week, and under quizzes, the first 2 exams, and don't look at these now because I'm going to revise them, but the first 2 exams will be under quizzes, and then the last 2 exams will be downloaded and submitted through the Dropbox. All right. Now, the other thing that you want to see here is under Gradebook. You'll see a couple of things. If you want to email somebody else in the class or me, you can do it under Class List. For some reason, people have had trouble emailing me through the Class List thing, but this is where you can email people. Just click, Oh, it says view profile. Why does it not say email? Okay, anyway, you should conceptually be able to email people using class list that are in the class. Oh, you know why? It's because the semester hasn't started yet. Sorry. Okay, the other thing that you want to look at is grades. All right, as I grade the work, and I will grade the work every week, you'll see the grades here. All right, and as I grade the work, it will be here. The points are a little bit different. This is an old grade book, but you should check your grades and make sure that you understand them. If there are any discrepancies or if you have any questions, shoot me an email. All right. I hope that this introduction to the course has been helpful. If you have any questions, post a discussion under introductions or chapter 1. Or actually anywhere under week 1, post your questions, or if it's one that's more specific to you rather than the entire class, feel free to email me or contact me. All right, I hope you enjoy this course, and I hope this video has been helpful. Bye.